name is Davis Zarilla. I'm here at MarineMax in Westbrook, and behind me, 27 Boston Whaler Vantage, yet another unsinkable legend. Moving to the stern of the boat first, we have the swim ladder that makes it from coming in and out of the water extremely easy. This boat comes equipped with two 225 Mercury engines. These are V8 and a brand new design by Mercury for their engines makes them quieter and easier to maintain. Moving forward onto the boat, we have this beautiful center island here made with very nice granite. Under we have a Yeti cooler that can come out for easy beverage access while aboard the yacht. The sink makes it very easy for you to wash your hands or to prepare food and drinks for your guests. The passenger seat here has 4 distinct positions that you can set it in, so you can watch the action wherever you may be on the boat. Whether you're watching the kids swimming behind you or you're watching the beautiful sunset in front of you. The head on the Boston Whaler 27 Vantage is equipped with a removable shower sink head nozzle so you can wash yourself off, and the beautiful teak finish makes the bathroom even more lovely. Looking at the helm now, you have an option to have a joystick control for ease of docking, and you also have the option for a flush-mounted GPS of your preference. Whether it be Garmin or Raymarine, the decision is yours to make. Finally, on the bow of the boat, we have 2 sun loungers underneath, so you can maximize the storage on the boat. That right there, folks, is the 27 Vantage by Boston Whaler. If you're interested, please come down to MarineMax, any of our locations, and let us know what you think. Have a good one.